Hello friends, today you will see the exercise 5.3 of arithmetic progression. Question number 1. In the question number 1, find the sum of the following AP. First part is given 2, 7, 12, 2, 7, 12, dot dot up to 10 terms. 10 terms. That is what is A given because it is AP. So you will apply the formula. Find the sum of the following AP. So very simple. A is equal to 2. D is equal to 7 minus 2, 5. N is equal to 10. So Sn is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into D. Put the values. S10 is equal to 10 by 2, 2 into 2 plus 10 minus 1 into 5. So you will get 5, 2 to the 4 plus 10 minus 1, 9, 9 5 the 45. And then you will get answer 49, 5 9 ja 45, 5 4 ja 20 plus 4, 24. Second part is given minus 37, minus 33, minus 29. Minus 37, minus 33, minus 29. Up to so on. And up to 12 terms. How many terms? 12 terms you are getting. So what is the A? Minus 37. What is D? A2 minus A1 minus 30t plus 37. You will get 4. What are you getting? Here you will get the 4 plus 3, 7. You will get the 4 plus 4 because minus 33. And what is n given? 12. Put the value Sn formula you have written. This formula you will write in all. So Sn is equal to means S12 is equal to 12 by 2. You will write this formula at this place first. 2 into minus 37 plus 12 minus 1 into 4. So here you are getting 6 minus 74 plus 12 minus 1, 11 4 ja 44. So you are getting 6 into 0, 3 minus 30. So minus 120 is the sum. 4 minus 4, 4 plus 3, 4 3. 6 3 is 18, not 20. 6 3 is 180. What is your answer? You are getting the sum 180. Okay. Next one is given. Third part you will get 0.6. Third part is given 0.6, 1.7 and 2.8. 1.7, 2.8 up to how many terms are given? 100 terms. So what is A? 0.6. What is D? 1.7 minus 0.6. So 1.1. What is N? N is given 100. So S 100. S 100 means 100 by 2. In bracket 2 into 0.6 plus N minus 1. 100 minus 1 into 1.1. You are getting formula at this place you will write. So it is equal to 50 into 1.2, 6 2 ja 12 plus 99 into 1.1. 50 into 1.2 plus 11 9 ja 99, 11 9 ja 99 and 108. 99, 9, 11 ja 99, 9, 99, 99 plus 9, 108. 108, one decimal place. So what will you get? 50 into 9 plus 2, 11 So you will get 0, 5 1 ja 5, 5 0 ja 5, 11, 5 ja 55. So 505. What are you getting? Your answer is 55. This fourth part is given. The question is given in the fourth part. 1 upon 15, 1 upon 12, 1 upon 15, 1 by 12, and the 1 by 10. Up to how many terms? 11 terms. There is what is A? 1 upon 15. What is D? 1 upon 12 minus 1 upon 15. A2 minus A1. 60 is the LCM. 5 minus 4. What are you getting? 1 upon 60 is D. So, N is equal to S. 11 is equal to 11 by 2. 2 into 1 upon 15 plus 11 minus 1 into D 1 upon 60, like this. What are you getting here? 11 by 2, 2 upon 15 plus 11 minus 1, 10, 16, no, here 60 is there. 10 upon 60. 10 upon 60. So, this or as it is you write 10 upon 60, because when a 6 will be there, then again then what is the LCM? 11 by 2, your LCM is 60. 4 to the 8 plus 1. So 11 by 2 into 9 by 8 plus 10. 8 plus 10. Here 10 6 is 60. 15 4 is 60. 4 to the 8 and 10. 10 plus 8 18. 18 not 9. 18 by 60. 18 by 60. 2 9 is 18. You are getting 11 into 9 upon 60, 3 3 ja 9, 3 2 ja 6, 11 3 ja 33 by 20. What is your answer? You are getting 33 by 20 is the fourth part. Fourth part is here. And now you will get the question number 2. Question number 2 is given. First question is over. In the exercise, like this you can get the question number 2 of this. In the question number 2 it is given, find the sum of given below. Find the sum given below. Here it is given 7 plus 10 whole 1 by 2 plus 14 plus dot dot plus last term is given 84. But it is not given find the sum of AP. What will you do here? Find the sum of AP, it is not given. If it is not given, so first you find out A is equal to 7. So D1, you will find out the D1. What is the D1? 10 2 is 20, 20 plus 1, 21 by 2 minus 7. So you will get 21 minus 14, 7 by 2. D2 is equal to 14 minus 21 by 2, A3 minus A2, you are getting 2, 28 minus 21, 7 by 2. Because D1 is equal to D2 is equal to 7 by 2, so it is an AP. Like this you will get, so what is the first term? 7, what is the D? 7 by 2. And then you don't know the N, you want to find out Sn. Two things you want to find out. So for N you will get, An is given. What is An? An is given 84. So An is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Apply the formula 7 plus N minus 1 into what is the D? 7 by 2. So 84 minus 7 is equal to N minus 1 into 7 by 2. 77 into 2 by 7 is equal to N minus 1. So 7 and 7 cancel, 11. 11 2 is 22 plus 1 is equal to N. So N is equal to 23. how much you 11 to the 22 plus 1 23. You are getting the how many terms are there? 84 minus 7 77 upon 2 upon 7, 7 by 2 is the d. So you are getting here 23 terms. So S23 you find out. Sn is equal to n by 2 a plus an you can apply because first and the last term is given. So S23 is equal to 23 by 2 a 7 plus 84. So 23 by 2 into 91, 7 plus 84, and then you multiply, you will get your answer. In the whole numbers you will get, multiply 91 into 23, 9 3 is 27, 9 2 is 18, 220, 2093, 2093 by 2, 2 1 is 2, 2 4 is 8, 2 5 is 10, 2 6 is 12, 1 whole by 2. It is your sum of first n term of an AP. Like this you are getting second part. Like this you are getting the second part of this 34, 32, 30. Second part is given. So we will proceed this in the next lecture. Thank you.